Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 100 WPM. Ready? Start. The position and status of women all over the world has risen extraordinarily in the 20th century. Full stop. We find that it has been very low in past centuries in India, and hence they were treated like objects that can be bought and sold. Full stop. For a long time, women in India remained within the four walls of their household. Full stop. They totally depend on manfolk. Full stop. Stanza. In India, comma, the customs of Pradha bracket veil system bracket close female infanticide child marriage sati system bracket self immolation by the women with their husbands bracket close dowry system and the state of permanent widowhood were totally removed. Full stop. It would help the innumerable women in the country who get neglected by their husbands and have no means of proving their marital status. Full stop. It would also help check child marriages, bigamy, and polygamy, enable women to seek maintenance and custody of their children, and widows can claim inheritance rights. Full stop. The act is applicable on all women, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. Full stop. It truly helps to empower India women to exercise their rights. Full stop. Women empowerment raises confidence of women in their ability to lead meaningful and purposeful lives. Full stop. It eliminates their dependence on others and makes them individuals in their own right. Full stop. They are able to lead their lives with dignity and freedom, which increase their self esteem and give them a unique identity. Full stop. They are able to gain recognition and form a meaningful contribution to the well being of society. Full stop. Stanza. Women act as capable citizens to make the country achieve and boost gross domestic product bracket GDP bracket close growth as they are financially independent. They are able to spend all their needs and desires, and they also get fair and equitable access to resources of the country. Full stop. Without women's empowerment, comma, we cannot remove injustice and gender bias and inequalities. Full stop. If women are not empowered, they deprived from enjoying security and protection in life. Full stop. It also provides them a secure working environment. Full stop. Stanza. Empowerment acts as a powerful tool against exploitation and harassment of women. Full stop. It is a great means to get adequate legal protection for women. Full stop. If not socially and economically empowered, women cannot blossom their own identity in society, and if they are not employed, the global economy will be adversely affected as women constitute a large extent of the world's population. Full stop. As women are highly creative and intelligent, this makes it mandatory to receive their contributions in socio-economic activities. Full stop. For a just and progressive society, women need to be provided equal opportunities for work. Full stop. Because of the inherent dominance among the males, they often don't allow their female counterpart to rise as high as them. Full stop. Stanza. Women are bound to high level of domestic responsibilities, and they are also restricted to participate in social, economic, and religious activities. Full stop. In our society, preference for male child still exists, and priority for education and healthy diet given to the boy child over girl child, full stop. Education through mass communication is very important, full stop. Both women and men should have aware of their responsibilities for promoting and practicing gender equality, full stop, over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM की स्पीड थी, जिसमें वर्ड्स थे आपके जो है थोड़े से लेंथी और थोड़े से हार्ड थे, डिफिकल्ट थे, जिसके अंदर स्पेलिंग आपकी इंपॉर्टेंट और उसकी आउटलाइन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड मैटर अगेन जो है वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे बेस्ड है, और इसके बाद भी एक मैटर और करेंगे जो वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे बेस होगा। तो इससे आपके जितने भी वर्ड्स है वो आपके कैच हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, कि जो इस टाइप के वर्ड्स आते हैं वो आपकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो डिक्टेशन लिखते टाइम अनसीन में कभी गलत नहीं होंगे, ठीक है। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।